Good morning and welcome to a new vlog. I'm in such a good mood because I'm on vacation from work. I've been on vacation, today's Thursday. I've been on vacation since last Friday, so I'm actually getting a little nervous because it's like kind of coming to an end, but it's been such a nice break and I really needed it because I was go for the last few months straight as I was working towards a really big launch for work. And now I'm taking a break. Yesterday, Daniel and I went to a really nice lunch on Niagara-on-the-Lake. We went to the Two Sisters Vineyard and it is just a really special place for us. We went last year as well and it was just so nice. And then since we were so close to the US border, we actually went over and did some shopping at Target and Trader Joe's. That's why this morning I put the creamer in my coffee, the non-dairy oat creamer with brown sugar. It's really good and gives you like that fall vibe, but it's also really sweet and I'm not a person that likes sweet coffee at all. Like even if I go to Starbucks and get like a pumpkin spice latte, I'll just ask for 1 pump because I just don't like things really sweet. So I just put like a touch and it's really good. Honestly, a little splash is all you need. We also got a couple other things from Trader Joe's. I'll show you in the freezer. Stocked up on gnocchi, sweet potato, and we have the cauliflower gnocchi. And then we got these to try, the asparagus risotto, which Daniel was intrigued because this is imported from Italy. So we'll see. And then he also picked out the coconut creamer to try as well. But my agenda for the day, after we had a really cute date day yesterday, today I just need to do a little bit of tidying up around the house. It's not dirty. I did like a deep clean on the weekend, but just have to pick up some of our mess. So I'm gonna do that this morning. And then I'm gonna get started with editing. I have a really big backlog of videos to edit. At this point when I'm filming this, you guys don't even know I moved yet. So I need to work on that. Today's agenda will be editing my Vancouver vlog, which is super delayed, but it's just filled with so many memories and I'm really excited to share that. I've already started, so I'm gonna hopefully finish that video off today. And I also have to run out to the grocery store and then I'm gonna see my mom later. It's not a hectic day, but this is the perfect day for me. I also placed a really big order at Dynamite and it's sitting in the front entrance here. I wanna go through it and I think I'll film that video tomorrow just because I don't really feel like getting fully ready today. Maybe, we'll see how that goes. I'm really excited about that. And then I also got a few things from Target. Maybe I'll show you that now. So I got these from Target. We went across the border a couple weeks back with our friends. Nikki actually influenced me to get these pajamas because she really likes them. These are the capri pajamas. My slippers are from Costco, by the way. I really like them, but they took like a few days to break in because they were kind of tight around my feet with all of the fur. But anyways, these pajamas are so soft. They're my favorite. And after I got them, I washed them, wore them that night, and I was obsessed. Like it's such a soft, I think the fabric is modal and elastic, and it's so soft. I've washed them every single week since I've gotten them and they feel brand new still. Like the fabric has held up. So when we went this time around, I stocked up because I'm a little bit crazy like that. Like if I like something, I think I go a little bit overboard, but these are the only pajamas I want to wear, so I wanted to get a few more so that I have rotation, because I don't know about you, but like I'll wear my pajamas for 2 nights and then I put them in the wash. So I wanted enough for a rotation because then I do laundry at the end of the week. I really like the capris too because they're really good for like pretty much any time of year except when it's like freezing outside, but it's nice in the summer because when the air conditioning's on, I get a little bit cold if I'm wearing shorts. It depends. But yeah, let me open up and show you the other ones I got. I feel like this is gonna be a spot that I vlog pretty often in this house. I'm still getting used to like my different spots, but it's right in front of the big window at the front and we have a bench, so that's what the camera is sitting on. Actually, before I dive into the Target haul, of course we had to get dark chocolate peanut butter cups from Trader Joe's because these are my favorite. I have one a day and they just satisfy my chocolate craving and they're just so good. I got 2 for my brother, he requested them, and then I got 2 for myself. And I already still have 1 pack left that I had in the freezer from the last time we went a few weeks ago. All right, here's my pajama haul. It's just a bag full of pajamas. They might be a little bit wrinkled. I got this pair. I wear size extra small, by the way. So it's long sleeves in navy and the long pants in navy. So that's one set. The brand is Stars Above, and the long sleeves, long pant set was $29.99 US dollar, and then of course converted, so you add 30% for conversion to Canadian dollar. Then I got 3 more pairs, so I got 4 pairs in total, which is like kind of crazy, but that's me. If you hear some banging at the back, there's a little bit of work going on outside. So I got the same set in black, so long pants, long sleeves, and the piping on it is actually like a really pale pink. Then I got the exact same set in the capri and the short sleeves, so this is the same set that I'm wearing. I wanted to get a set that was the same color in both like the short sleeve and capri as well as the long pant and long sleeve because you can mix and match. Honestly, I really wanted more of the gray set because I really like gray, but if it couldn't be gray, I'd take black. And then last but not least, I got a short sleeve and short set, just a simple pair of shorts. For the summer, I do like to wear shorts on like really hot days. Otherwise, I like the capris. Daniel likes to keep the air conditioning a little bit high. So that's my Target haul of the pajamas. If you know what I'm talking about with these pajamas, if you're a fan, please don't make me feel crazy in the comments below. Let me know what you think of the Stars Above pajamas because they're just so comfortable. And now I have 5 pairs because I'm a little bit crazy, but at the same time, they're actually such a good deal because after I got this pair, I've searched all online. Amazon had some that looked similar, but they weren't the same material, and I was just nervous about the fit. Like the fit of this is really nice too, so you can't go wrong. And yeah, the short set was $21.99 and the capri set I think was $24.99. Yeah, $24.99. The long sleeve was $29.99. I'll link them down below if you're interested. But we just drive across the border to Buffalo, New York, which is the closest border crossing because we were in Niagara on the lake, so it was only an extra half an hour. And then we made a little date day out of it, so it was super nice. And a nice way to like break up the week of vacation. Now I'm gonna spend the rest of the day editing, and I've been doing like some emails and stuff, just like focusing on getting back into my routine with my channel, which makes me so happy. And I've also been doing just like some, I don't know, just like normal life things. Like I went for a run the day before yesterday, and it felt so good. Like I love the fall and running. I haven't ran in years. Years. I used to in high school. I used to do cross country, and we used to start in the fall. So it really just reminds me of that. It's really nostalgic, and I really enjoy the way that it makes me feel. Well, afterwards, not while I'm actually running. So I downloaded the Under Armour Run app and just like started tracking my run, and it's really fascinating. I really love looking at like stats and stuff like that. So I think that's another motivating factor for me. So I would love to go for another run today if that's in the cards. I didn't push myself too hard. I ran 2.5 kilometers in about 15-16 minutes ish, so not a great pace, but I'm just getting back into it. I have not ran in years. Before the pandemic, when I was consistently at the condo, I used to go to the gym and run on the treadmill there, but I haven't ran outside like this in years. So just doing things for me. That's what this vacation is all about. Fail. I burnt the bread. Still getting used to the new oven and stove. I guess I could just cut it off. That part's pretty good. Yeah, let's do that. And my egg broke. I like my egg with a runny yolk. So I'm just gonna flip it over and just make it that way. Ta-da! And I'll probably have a side of fruit in a little bit, but I'm gonna sit on the couch. Maybe I should sit at the counter. I'm still getting used to the gas stove and the gas oven because I've only ever used electric. Okay, I planned on tidying up the kitchen and some other things around the house, but I ended up having a little bit of a lazy morning, so now I just got changed. I'm gonna head out to the grocery store. I have to switch the cars every time I go out. Well, not every time, but it depends on who's parked behind who, because we park one behind each other on the driveway. And so it's kind of annoying when you're the person on the top of the driveway and you need to get out, but it's okay. I'm just gonna switch them real quick and I'm gonna head out to the store just to get some stuff to make for lunch. Then I'm gonna actually dive into editing. I'm back. I got eggs, some bread to make sandwiches. I got a loaf of sourdough bread because I love it for avocado toast and I've been missing it. Got some blueberries, some fresh olives, or deli olives. And then I got some turkey and some hot salami to make sandwiches because Daniel's dad is here and they're doing work in the back. They wanted sandwiches, so I'm gonna make those. But we have an egg container, so I'm gonna put these in and it's gonna be satisfying. Just put it in the fridge like this until we use the top two. I'm making myself a super simple salad. So I mixed together some spring mix and I have this salad kit that was on reduced from Longo's and it's actually huge. We already ate from it the other night and then I put some of it on top here. And I put some of the seeds that were in here, but I'm actually gonna use a different dressing. And then I have some vegetables and rice and quinoa that I made the other night that I'm going to put on top. And then I'm going to add grilled chicken on top. This is actually from Costco and it's really, really simple. It's frozen and I just microwave it for a minute and then I just kind of roast it on the stovetop and I like it nice and crispy like this. I'm just gonna add it to the top of my salad. I'm gonna add it in here and then I'll mix in the dressing. Ta-da! This is the dressing. It's the dill pickle dressing from Costco. I had an extra one from one of my salad kits. Croutons, there's feta. This is just kind of a mix of everything. It's my favorite. Another one of my American finds is the Bubbly Bounce caffeinated sparkling water. I didn't necessarily get it because it's caffeinated, but I got it because of the flavor, mango passion fruit, which reminds me so much of my favorite alcoholic drink, which is called Cruise, which is mango dragon fruit. The dragon fruit and the passion fruit are pretty similar. I really like the flavor of it and I don't necessarily always want an alcoholic drink, so this is really good. And actually today I feel like I do need the extra bounce of the caffeine because I'm just feeling really tired. Good morning, look who's here. Look who's here. Good morning. I didn't wash up yet. I look horrible. I just came in from letting Merlot outside this morning. And last night I went to go visit my parents and then I came back with Merlot. We do this sometimes. He's had maybe 3 sleepovers here so far and I love him. I just miss him so much. So he comes to visit because my parents go to work during the day, so he would be by himself anyways. So he's gonna stay here with me today and then I'll bring him back at night. We definitely want to get a dog in the future, but not right now, but probably soon. Daniel's been building a fence in the backyard today. Well, not a fence, a gate. So I'm on the couch editing and I had no idea how much progress he made. And he called me to come look and look what he did. I'm so proud of him. It looks so good. I'm so proud of you. I'm having another one of my hodgepodge salads with just whatever leftovers we have in the fridge. And it's so good. I'm making my pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. This is the recipe here. I'll link it down below. It's my favorite one that I always use. And I'm gonna bring them to dinner tonight. This is the best part, adding in the chocolate chips.